Hi guys, this is ShopMemer here and welcome to my affiliate marketing magic review. So this is the dashboard of this software or of this tool. Rather I want to say that this is a course based product, that is why I want to say affiliate marketing magic course. So this is the dashboard of this course, and what are the steps inside it I will show you inside this product, and also give you a detailed overview of this tool or of this product. Okay, but before getting into the product, let me just do it faster. I want to show you my bonuses. What are the bonuses I will be giving you with this product, because I want to incentivize you, because I am an affiliate of this tool, of this stuff, and I want to incentivize you. If it fits to you, then you can get the product from my website, and also you will be given some good bonuses. So firstly, there is a timer inside my website, and the timer is strictly followed. Once the timer runs out, then the bonus will be vanished, and if you want to get the bonuses, you should do it faster, as soon as possible by you. But by chance, if you are missing the bonuses after purchasing the product from my website, you can click here, you can go to my messenger page, Facebook Messenger page. From there you can message me that I have purchased, and you can use the product the paycheck ID also, and from there I will be giving you the link after showing the proof given by you. Then I will be giving you the link of bonuses, and you can check out your bonuses after that. So my bonus number one is my made video, my created video, that is ever working affiliate method, which is I am using on a daily basis, and that will be detailedly clear to you inside this video or that video. And this is an evergreen method. This is working today, this will be working after 10 years also. Basically this is an hijacking method, and that will be clear to you once you have purchased the product. This is an exclusive bonus, and no one can give you this bonus, because this is totally created by me, and that is just put together inside one place to give you the best bonuses. I am working on this field for so many days, and that is why I can give you this kind of bonuses. So my bonus number two is done for you 10 funnel pages. Funnel pages are really essential for affiliate marketing, and that is why this kind of bonuses. So 10 done for you funnel pages will be given to you with this product. This product is all about affiliate marketing, that is why all of the bonuses will be related to affiliate marketing, and that will be helpful for your affiliate marketing journey. So my bonus number three is Phoenix. Phoenix is a software or a course based product also. Phoenix is not an automated software, but this is a course based product, and that will clear you what are the solo ads and how you can get the best vendors of the suggestion of the product vendor, that he was using this vendor, or he is still using that vendors, and how you can get the solo ads inside the landing page, how you can optimize your landing page, how you can use the ClickFunnels, or you can subsidize your ClickFunnels, how you can use the ClickFunnels, or you can use another landing website, another landing page or website builder, some kind of stuffs, and it will be clear. The paid section, the paid affiliate marketing section will be clear to you inside it. The best way to get paid traffics, and like getting subscriber 1000 or more than 1000 subscriber you can get on a daily basis, and that is he is doing, and he will showing you that stuffs totally live. Okay, so inside bonus number 4 you will be given Thrive Visual Editor. Thrive Visual Editor is a version 2.3.0, so that is a totally web page builder or landing page builder, because this product is will show you why landing pages are essential, and inside bonus number 4 you will be given the landing page builder. So you can check out if you want to outside the landing page. Thrive Visual Editor is costs near about $19 per month, or maybe $97 quarterly or yearly, I don't know exactly. Okay, so you can check out, that will be given to you totally free. Inside Fiverr you can also get the stuff. They will be charging you $5 minimum, but it will be given to you totally free inside bonus number 4. Inside bonus number 5 you will be given Find Your Niche 100 blogs. Basically the blogs are all about all niches. Okay, so if you are just thinking about creating a website and want to get traffic, then you will need this kind of stuffs. Okay, this is a more than 5 GB, this is sized more than 5 GB, and that will be given to you. All blogs are ready made, and you can just copy and paste them, and you can start using, you can get traffic instantly from the day one. So my bonus number 6 is, once you have start creating website and using the website, you really need backup. I have also faced some backup issue previously inside my starting journey. I have just deleted my so many blogs, and when I am telling this, I am really meaning this. I am not telling any false word. That was happened to me inside hosting a server, and that was totally my fault, not their fault. Okay, so wrongly I have deleted them, and I have no backup. At that time I had no backup. That is why I have to suffer very much. Sorry, I do so many grammatical mistakes. So inside my bonus number 7, you will be given the vendor bonus bundle, and basically this is nothing but a by default bonus. From anywhere you can purchase the product, you will be given these bonuses. You can take the bonuses as granted, because these are the bonuses. This will be given to you from the owner, from the vendor of the product, like 6 training figure super affiliate and secret Facebook group, 50 plus free product bundle from 18 marketers, 20 plus reseller rights and reseller product rights, and also customer support desk. Sorry, I was about to sneezing, but sorry. So inside the bonus number 7, you will be given that 5 bonuses, and this will be given to you by default once you have purchased the product. Inside members area, you will be given that 5 bonuses. Inside bonus number 8, as usual, you will be given the upsell bonuses. If you purchase any upsell, as this tool is very much helpful for you, very much knowledgeable, fruitful for your journey, that is why I have put the upsell bonuses also. If you purchase any upsell of this product, you will be given more. As the upsells are costlier, you will be given 200 plus softwares and 75 plus plugins, more than 75 plugins, and high quality graphics. And you can tell me whatever bonuses you really need, and I think I can give you from any aspects. Okay, so inside the upsell bonuses, you will be given that, and I have cleared you the timer. Now let me show you the product from inside. So this product is all about affiliate marketing, but there is a good thing inside this product. For each and every video, for the respective video, the resources are given. You can see here some resources. Whatever he is saying inside the video, that will be given to you, like that page link or the software link, plugin link will be given to you inside your product, from that button. These are the resources button. Okay, so inside overview, I have gone through the main training section basically. So inside from the main training section, I can show you the videos are really lengthy. If I want to play, this video is 19 minutes and 51 seconds. You can check out. And also the next video is near about 10 minutes, 9.5 minutes. So inside every video, the guy has told that how you can just grow your Warrior Plus score, Zebizu score, that you can get all of the product approval, because most of the vendors or marketers are really approved only them who has a good affiliate score. Basically, I have denied for so many products. I have got denied for so many products also. But once I have started doing it, then gradually I have just build up my score. Then nowadays I am getting all of the products like approved. Okay, so how you can approve them, how you can start doing it from $1 product, and $1 product is really high converting product. And basically from the $1 product, you can build up your score, you can do the thing. And from squeeze page or every store resources, all stuffs, you can check out from the chapter. I really don't want to play the video here, because that will reveal you the inside knowledge. Okay, this is a basic thing. And also these are the resources. This software will be given to you also, I think. And Brown Bear Bargains was his previous product. Okay, this owner's previous product. And conclusion, bonus and upgrades. So that was the tool. Now let me show you the price of the tool and all other additional stuffs like the ratings. So inside the ratings, the inside contents given and resource given, the product has got little bit lesser rating from with respect to 100%, because the product owner is showing his face most inside the most screen time. He showed himself basically. And that was little bit problem for me, and I think we will face that problem also. Otherwise there is no issue inside this product. Like so many knowledges, heap of knowledges is given inside this product, and I have gone through it, and I have really learned something from the product, and I will be implemented those things in future. So basically the problem was the owner is showing himself, rather showing the example on computer screen. He was showing himself, and for that he has given the resource button, and you can click on the resource button and you can go to the product. That is also his purpose. That is why maybe he is showing most of the time himself inside those training. Okay, so this is the product price, $12.95, really cheap. And also this is the launch period. You can mark the time like 19th of February and 9 a.m. EST, New York time, the morning of New York. And the bonus pack I have showed you, and these are the stuffs and description about the product. And also this is my word, I have written here what I really feel from heart, I have written here. And the negative thing, I have also written that the screen presence of the owner, rather showing the computer screen live, he has just showed himself. That is a little bit problematic for me, but if you are okay with that, then there is nothing bad inside it, because there are really good knowledges given about affiliate marketing for newbie or any expert. So these are the sales funnel. Let me just show you the title only. I don't want to make the video more lengthy. I want you to visit this page from the video description link given below, and you can check out the upsells also. So Merlin version, the upsell 1, and magic box of tricks, and the magic reseller, and done for you weekly campaigns, and magic launch partner. So total 5 upsells are there. You can check out if you want to also after purchasing the front end. Obviously I recommend you to purchase the front end, then you can go to the upsells. So that was my product overview of affiliate marketing magic. I have showed you the product and also my bonuses. I think I should leave now, so I am signing out for the video. I'm wrapping up the video, so bye bye.